first of all, let's get the logo. I'll pull it down as a reference here. And now we're going to replicate this logo. So first of all, let's create these squares and this one. So we get the rectangle tool here. Do something like that. Rotate it. Hold Alt on PC, drag it down like that. Approximately something like that. And then while holding Alt, drag it down, and if you hold Shift as well, then it's going to snap. Then you're going to get these lines, these guides. So yeah, now we've created half of it. So in order to make it geometrical, what I like to do, I like to grab a square, make a square like that. Then select everything. Use this, the shape builder tool. Hold Alt on PC. So you get this minus symbol. So then you're going to remove everything that you draw on, like that. So now we have half of it. So let's duplicate it, hold Alt again, drag it out, something like that. And then up here in the right hand corner, we flip horizontally, like that. And then there we go. So now we have pretty much all the squares. So now we're gonna round this corner and that corner. Or actually first select it all, get this, the shape builder tool, and add these two together, because these were two separate triangles. So now it became a square. While having this, the direct selection tool, we can customize each of the corners. So holding holding Shift in that corner and that corner at the same time, it makes you, I don't know why it's not rounding that. Click one time on it. And if you want to make sure they're both exactly the same, you can double click on it. And let's do the radius 17, for example. Double click on this, make it 17. So then you know they're exactly the same. And now let's draw these lines. So again, rectangle tool, something like that. So we have one rectangle. Holding Alt to duplicate it, like that. And now we're gonna do these lines. So do a square. Why we're not gonna use this line tool, because then when we're gonna do the gradients doesn't work on lines the same way it does on shapes. So that's why we're using this, the rectangle tool. Something like that. And then let's rotate it 45 degrees, like that. I can duplicate it like that. Now we have the general shape. And now we're going to color it. So we go to gradient. Go to this freeform gradient. And then go back to linear gradients. So then you'll get these lines. So we're going to click outside here because we want it to go from dark to light. So like that, for example. So if you want it to go from dark to light here, either you just switch these, you swap them around, click and drag like that. Now we can remove that. So you could do that, or you could just select all of it and rotate it around so you get the darker on the top. But yeah, so that's how I made the logo for this, the Nexus core. if you would like for me to make a logo for you or something like that, just write in the comment below, or check out my website